Alright everyone, this is Jesse with Farming Seattle, and this is a update of the aquaponics system. And as you can see, the pump is now working, and I actually just started it. And this is the setup. There's a 3/4 inch pipe with a male thread to female slip on top of the pump, which runs up. If I can get that out of there. Runs up to that T piece, 3/4 inch T, and it goes over to a valve, which will just drain directly into the water for oxygen. Then it goes up here at the top, and that goes to a valve which can be controlled to either let the water flow greater or less, and that just depends on how well the siphon's working. So we'll have to get that fixed later on. The intake valve is destroyed, and the reason why is because I got some better advice. Instead of using a 3/4 inch pipe, I'm going to go with a 1 inch pipe, which I guess exponentially makes the flow increase. So this is a 1 inch PVC bulkhead, and it was actually only like $7 online. This is a banjo bulkhead, and I believe it needs a 2 1/4 inch hole saw. So these are the best of the best apparently, and I'll get a male thread that goes in here to a female 1 inch pipe. Same on the other side. Yeah, looks the same size. 1 inch threads to a female pipe. So I'll put that in, and then the 2 inch bell siphon should fit on top of that. And so I'm hoping to kind of clear up this water. It's super cloudy from all the lava rock, and maybe we'll get something cleared out right there. So we'll do that. And I also built these legs on each side. I didn't really feel comfortable. Let's see if I can show that. I didn't feel comfortable leaving the 4x4s on top of this stock tank. So this side needs to be raised up a little bit. It's still resting on there, but I figure this stock tank's probably, or the grow bed's probably, I don't know, 1,000 to 2,000 pounds with all the lava rock and water and whatnot. So it's probably just a good idea to do that. And what I did is I took a jack, because these were all set on top. So I took a jack and I jacked up the middle one from a car jack, raised the whole side up, and then put on the 2 ends on each side, put some 2x4 feet on there so it doesn't sink as much, and then just braced it on each side with screws going into the leg, as well as the 4x4 up here on each one. And then I'll probably make some more supports. But as you can see, it's bending a little bit, but now we should be good to go. So we did that. All the rock, I'll probably go get some goldfish, assuming this clears out. The other thing that I had to do was put an outside electrical unit, and it's not quite done yet, but that gives me 15 feet of power cord, 20 feet of power cord that I need. So that is the system running, and I'll probably start running these guys and not even worry about goldfish dying, because there's just goldfish. This container, I'm hoping to filter out all the junk, and so I have holes at the bottom and the sides, and the pump itself is about halfway, well, maybe 8 inches above the bottom, because I guess the dirtiest water is always going to be on the top and the bottom. So it's raised up, it's in a bucket with holes in it that I use to clean out all the rock, and so hopefully that'll kind of filter out most of the stuff up top. So thanks for watching. I'll add this to the videos, and we'll go from there. Alright everyone, let's see if I can do this. It's dark out. I've got goldfish. I got 20 small and 20 large. And I'm going to put them in here just in their bag. Equalize the water temperature for 20 minutes or so. And then I'll release them in there. And I think I spend about, I don't know, 10 bucks on fish. So if they live, they live. So pretty good size. And these are just feeder goldfish, so they'll do their thing, and we'll have to show them around tomorrow when it's light out and they got their everything going on. There you go. Alright, so we got the small and big goldfish in their bags. Let's see if I can get them over here. And basically we just wanted to acclimate them to their surroundings. So we're going to set them free, and then we will show you what that looks like. Yeah, I think I'll have to have 2 hands for that. Or do you want to hold this? 2 hands? Got it? Okay, just hold it right there. Let's set these guys free. Do you see it on there?
Yeah.
Excellent. We did 10 minutes of acclimating them to the colder water from the fish tanks or the fish store. Alright guys. Alright, that one's clear of the small ones. Now we got 20 big ones. How do you think they'll do in here?
Good.
Okay. Alright, here we go. They're like, what is this place? Hopefully they're not too shocked or anything. It's a little colder. So we'll take a look tomorrow and see how they're doing. Hopefully they didn't all just die. But we'll check on them tomorrow.